In this video, you'll learn how to trade spot on Binance by buying and selling cryptocurrency. This guide will walk you through the steps to effectively navigate the Binance platform and utilize its features for trading purposes. Begin by accessing the Binance website or launching the Binance app on your device. Once the platform loads, sign in to your account using your credentials. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps necessary to access your account. After logging in, look for the main menu where you can find various sections of the platform. Next, locate the Markets tab on the main interface. This section provides an overview of available cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. You can explore different markets by selecting either spot or futures trading options. For this tutorial, focus on spot trading, which allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly. Once in the spot trading section, you will see a search bar where you can enter the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. After entering the information, select the desired cryptocurrency from the drop-down list. This action will display the trading interface for that specific asset. Now, you will see options to buy or sell the selected cryptocurrency. If you want to buy, click on the buy button, enter the amount you wish to purchase, and review the total cost. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transaction. After confirming the details, click Confirm Buy to finalize the purchase. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the transaction has been successfully completed. For selling, select the Sell button and input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. Review the estimated proceeds and ensure you understand any fees that may apply. Click Confirm Sell to execute the trade. You will receive a confirmation notification once the sale is processed. Keep in mind that market fluctuations can affect the selling price, so monitor your trades closely. After completing your trades, check your wallet to view your updated balance. It's important to regularly track your holdings and consider how market changes may impact your investments. Always be cautious with trading and avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.